lock lovers, it's me, Natty Ann. Welcome to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. I am filming this on Thanksgiving Day. I have my turkey in the oven. I'm going to continue cooking right after I get this style out of the way. So what I want to do for you all today is show you how to do the palm tree style, aka pineapple, aka pineapple. You guys know what I'm talking, right? So let's get it. Okay, perfect. So my hair is down and I'm ready to put it into a really high ponytail. So the goal is to get all of my hair at the top of my head. So basically like sitting something right on top. So what I always do to get this done right is to flip my head over. Ooh. So the challenge with this style, for me, my hair is extremely thick, right? And for it to look like a palm tree, you kind of want the stem or the trunk of the tree to look a little bit small or skinny. This is my first time doing this, so I don't know if I'm gonna achieve that, but we'll try. We're gonna do the best with what we got.
I'll do the best I can with what I got. Oh!
And I'm gonna continue to crisscross it and tie it. Ooh, okay. And I'm struggling. I'm struggling, baby. Okay. I'm crossing it. And I'm gonna cross it again. And then I'm gonna actually tie it now. My hair is extremely heavy, so it's gonna be interesting to see if it stands up. And I'm gonna tie it twice in a knot. Okay. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Ooh, this is like a balancing act. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is take some hair right from the front and wrap it around. And then I'm gonna tuck it. And I wanna take some hair from the back . Okay, I'm gonna take some from the back, flatten them out, right? So like they're kind of side by side, and then wrap them around. And I just tuck wherever I can. Just pull . I have to really try to snag them from the back. I could use pins. I'm not even gonna fry. I low-key wanna cry right now because my hair is so dense that like, this is probably the skinniest I can make my tree trunk. I can't even. This is a lot. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so it's very, I'm just doing it, you know what I mean? It's no scripts, y'all. Dense. Like, this can't get no slimmer than that. That's it. I feel like I got a basket on my head. That's what it feels like. All right, guys, so this is my first attempt at doing this palm tree, pineapple, whatever style. Like, to be honest, I think it's beautiful. I think it's a good photo op, but to be walking around for the weight of my hair, I don't think I could do it, y'all. I don't know. All I did was take here, wrap it, tuck, wrap it, tuck. If you want a more secure style, you probably definitely have to use some pins. If your hair is less dense, a little thinner, I think you can really get it to look very neat and, you know, every lock in place. But for me, girl, this might be the best that I could do for now. I like it though. What kind of tree is this? I don't think this is a palm tree. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was kind of getting a little frustrated because in my mind I'm thinking palm tree. So a palm tree, you know, is skinny and then it comes out like this. But this is definitely not a palm tree. This is a pineapple. A nice, big, juicy, fat pineapple. So that's what we're gonna go with. And the more I look at it, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? I hope y'all like it. I definitely have to try doing it again. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is actually show y'all what it's looking like behind here. So as I was wrapping, I was tucking it and I was wrapping it in different directions just to get the security so I don't think it's gonna come down. I really don't, because I wrapped it this way, then I took hair from that way, wrapped it that way, and I was kind of doing a crisscross effect. So I think it works. I'm not sad anymore. I actually like it. If you're wondering about this top, Got it from Amazon. I will share the link with you guys. I work out in these sets. It's actually a set, so it comes with the shirt and some tights as well. They have this little hole by the thumbs where you can, you know, put your thumbs in. I don't really use that though. You can fold it. And I definitely work out in these. And sometimes I wear the shirt as just a shirt. You know, here are the pants. So this is the set. I actually really like it. It's tightly ribbed. So there's thick ribs. It's stretchy, but it's firm and it pulls you in. You do not have to wear a bra with it. It sucks in that belly. Everything is looking tight and right. And I have it in white and I have it in black. And I highly recommend, girl. So if you get a chance, hop on Amazon, click the link in the description and get you one of these, girl. I think I'm gonna go back and get some more colors because I love it. Hey Loc lovers, so I did a different style. This one is half up, half down. It actually does look like a palm tree. Which one do you like better? Head over to my next video. Let me know which one you prefer.